The sound we're going to practice in this video is the sound Z. Repeat after me. Z. Z. Z in zone. Again, zone. Zombie. Again, zombie. Zorro. Again, Zorro. Zip code. Again, zip code. Zookeeper. Again, zookeeper. Zigzag. Again, zigzag. Zebra. Again, zebra. Zipping. Again, zipping. Zany. Again, zany. What other words have initial sound Z? Z in lazy. Again, lazy. Fuzzy. Again, fuzzy. Magazine. Again, magazine. Lizard. Again, lizard. Wizard. Again, wizard. Poison. Again, poison. Puzzle. Again, puzzle. Thursday. Again, Thursday. Noisy. Again, noisy. What other words have middle sound of Z? Z in babies. Again, babies. Bees. Again, bees. Sneeze. Again, sneeze. Prize. Again, prize. Exercise. Again, exercise. Emphasize. Again, emphasize. Exercise. Again, exercise. Advertise. Again, advertise. What other words have final sound Z? Now, let's practice phrases with this sound. Ready? Zigzag zipper. Again, zigzag zipper. A dozen banana. Again, a dozen banana. Lazy Thursday. Again, lazy Thursday. Puzzle zip code. Again, puzzle zip code. Brazil's zip code. Again, Brazil zip code. Now, let's practice sentences with this sound. Ready? Zenaida zip her zipper. Again, Zenaida zip her zipper. The cookies become frozen. Again, the cookies becomes frozen. Please zoom in the zip code. Again, please zoom in the zip code. Noisy bees keep buzzing. Again, noisy bees keep buzzing. Replace razor with scissor. Again, replace razors with scissors. The sound we just practiced in this video is sound Z. Repeat after me. Z. Z. I hope you enjoyed practice. Have a nice day. Goodbye.